welcome to Metal Guns. Today I want to show y'all a new to me safe. This one here is from BlackSmith. That's how they write their thing out there. And I've just looked at it a little bit. I unboxed it and whatnot, so I can get it out here and y'all can see it. But let me bring you in closer and we'll go through this thing. We'll go through the user's manual and get it set up and all, because it does have some really awesome features to it. And we'll just see what we think. Yeah, like I say, first off, unboxing this thing. Yeah, it came boxed up really well. Had styrofoam around it. Had these plastic corner pieces around it and everything. And wrapped in a big plastic bag. So odds are when you get yours, it's going to be well protected, not scratched or dented. So that's a big thing. But here's what we got here. This is a 6-gun rifle safe with 2 pistol holders in it, which I'll show you. You have a drawer on the bottom, which will open up here in a minute. Then you have your door. And you have 3 ways to get into this safe. You have a key, you got a key pad, or thumb or fingerprint. Once you get your safe, you will just grab your key and open her up. And when you do, hanging in here will be this bag. This bag is going to have your user manual, your keys, a USB cord, and your anchors for wherever you want to put it. This safe is not real heavy. I can pick it up by myself, no problem. So wherever you decide, you need to anchor this thing very well, no doubt. Now, since we got the doors open, let's just start in here right off the bat. Look at these metal rods that lock this thing. Yeah, they are huge. And I'm not exaggerating on it all. Yeah, now that's good size. Yeah, that should be super hard to pry open it or anything like that, no doubt. You go in here, you got your little top shelf, and you got your pieces down here where your rifle goes. Well, if I can get the other one up here. And you just jam it in here where you want it on the upper, wherever your rifle will fit. Now in the door, this is of course electronic part. We'll put batteries in there in a minute and get that set up. But you got the nice little cubby right here to put whatever you want to. And then a couple of holsters. You put some pistols in, which we're going to load this thing down here shortly and just see what it does hold comfortably. Nice little bin down here. Put some storage in. And then another set of littler keys. You come down here. Open up the drawer. Yeah, plenty of space in that. That's all good. You put your ammo or any documents or whatever you want to keep in there. Yeah, no big thing. But yeah, it's handy to have that little drawer as well. Now mounting this, y'all figure that one out. Find a good spot. I always say something like this and this size, put it in a corner. That way you can get some mount holes in the floor, up against the wall there, and up against the back wall. That's just my opinion. But that's the way that when I decide where I want this thing, that's why I'm gonna mount mine. That way I got 1, 2, 3 points of anchor. I know there's no holes in there, but I'll tell you right now, I ain't above taking a drill to anything. What about the back? Yeah, there's some holes in the back and in the bottom for mounting. But either way you want to do it, that is up to y'all. Now let's go through our user's manual and get this thing set up. Alright, per the user's manual, and I'm going to be fast forwarding some of this, guys. If y'all decide to get one, you know, you go through it a lot quicker than I do. Okay, open it up, all of that. I'm jumping to page 4. I do believe. Yeah. Alright, install batteries. That's right here. So it takes 2 AA, which it does not come with, so if you run out, grab you a couple AA's. And very simple. Battery compartment right there. Oh wow. It takes 4 AA's. I thought it took 2. Well, I'm stupid. Let's see if I can find some more batteries. Alright, I found 2 more. So, with the A's of the double, there's a 1, and a 2. Yeah, luckily, I had some in my toolbox out in the shop. I always keep AA and AAA's out here. You know, little flashlights and doodads and this, that, and other thing. You never know. I'll put that cover back on. Okay, it says fail, whatever that means. But let's go 2, 4, 6, 8 and try to open it. No. No. That tells you somebody's trying to get into it. There we go. And that gets rid of that. So cooling up. Like I say, everything's here in your book, guys. Just go through it and all of that. And also, if you have a battery failure, that's what the cord's for. Right here. You can plug that in and run you some electric to it from a little wall plug or a computer or something like that. Anything with a USB port. And that'll get you hot enough where if you ain't got your keys, you can use your code or your print, either one that you want. Now let's see if this, how this thing is going to hold actual rifles and pistols and such as that. It says 6, but I'm not too sure. They might be just like regular bolt rifles or something like that. Then I could see 6. But let me get a combo of rifles in here and a couple of pistols, just see how that looks. All right, let's see what it looks like. Load it up. And notice when I open the door, guys, this thing has a light. Right here. Yeah, that's cool. Well, here's what I got in there, guys. I got 4 rifles comfortably. Now, these are scoped rifles and such. I could probably get 1 more in here. It would probably take 6 single shot type rifles or shotguns. But for me, I'm just going to have the 4 in it comfortably where they don't hit up against each other or scratch. But it would hold 6. And as you can see here, we got our pistols in here. You don't see that? We'll get you down there. Yeah, 1911 fitting there just fine. And my M&P 45 fitting there just fine. Plenty of room to put some ammo up here. And I still got this, and the drawer below. So yeah, I'm going to call this one a win.